She's beautiful.
My door wouldn't open. Wait, how am I supposed to get in here? Oh!
Dang it!
Well,
This is what it looked like.
she's cute, ain't she? She's a little crusty.
Yeah, kind of a lot of crusty.
But we all are. We're all crusty.
Good boy, Snuff. See, you figured it out. Meet Saoirse.
Ta-da!
I know that we said we were gonna get a bus, and we said we were gonna get a van, but we
said
got
a lot
an
of
RV.
things.
We got an RV. Sometimes you just gotta take what life gives you, and life gave us an RV. Quick story: this was my dad's uncle's, and it got out of the family for a long time. My dad had this when I was little, and then sold it to a friend, and now that friend is giving it back to us. And so we're gonna fix it up and do some traveling.
Yeah.
So let's give you guys the walkthrough.
Welcome to our humble abode.
All right.
She's a little saggy.
Yeah, there's some major water damage, but that's okay. So, hi Scrumps, he's on camera now. This is gonna be our bed.
That's the master bedroom.
Yes, the master bedroom. The cockpit. This currently is a bench / bed. Don't know what we're gonna do there yet. This was the dinette, but it's not there anymore.
What's that?
Oh, this is our water pump, our water level, all the controls that we need. We have our kitchen with a gas burner stove and a sink.
And an oven.
We also have this retro fridge.
It looks like pee on the inside.
It does. I think Scrumps peed inside. Then we have our bathroom. Oh yeah.
Carpeted.
Carpeted bathroom. Best kind. It's got, oh wow, it's really cold in here. It's got a tub. It will have a shower head.
It's got a
Also has
saggy
water
roof
damage.
and a window.
Wow, fancy.
And a closet.
This is the closet, the only closet. So that's basically, that's the inside. Good morning.
Morning.
We're gonna start this day off right with some coffee and breakfast, and then we're gonna get started.
We've been up for a really long time.
Totally.
We have.
I was knocked down, heard the countdown through the haze, in the face of defeat, yeah. I was ruled out with no bailout, on my own, all alone, left to bleed out. But I rose up from the ground, just like I was spellbound. All the odds were against me, so I picked up the pace, and now I'm in the race. Give me some space. I'm a movement and I ain't losing. Gonna go, 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 go. Like a bullet, won't take no bullshit. You should know, no. I'm about to explode. So I've been told that I should fold and give in. I can't win in this game, no.
So we found a key in the
In the blinds.
yeah, in the blinds. So I'm not sure what it goes to. I wonder if it goes to the,
We don't have
Say
keys
this.
to the motorhome.
yeah.
We don't have keys to this back door.
It says best DA7J. It is unlawful to duplicate this key.
We might go to the back door. Or somebody's safe.
I guess we'll find out. Hi.
Hi. Why are you?
Anyways, we came in here to clean, and then we...
There's mold everywhere.
Yeah, so we destroyed everything.
But it looks nice.
It's so cute. I think we're just going to keep it like this.
This will be our bed.
We'll just push this stuff out of the way. Rumpel can sleep up there.
Yeah. I'll be pooping that hole back there. Just right into the septic tank.
So, I think that sounds good.
I'm a movement and I ain't losing. Gonna go, 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 go. Like a bullet, won't take no bullshit. You should know, no, no, no. I'm about
So, in attempting to get the carpet out, I accidentally ripped up the toilet. So, we did, but... Yeah, the carpet was literally like they put the carpet down and then put the toilet in. And so,
And then there were poop stains on the carpet.
This is gonna be fun. Oh, we also found this wall.
Did you say foam?
I said fawn. Yeah, no. We found this wall moves. So
Yeah, it's completely rotted out underneath.
yeah, there's a lot. Oh!
What did you do? Oh yeah, no, there's major rot right in this corner. I'm gonna rip it all out.
I think there's more work here than we thought, huh?
I'm winning this race. Give me some space. I'm a movement and I ain't losing. Gonna go, 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 go. Like a bullet, don't take no bullshit. You should know, no, no, no. I'm about to explode. No, I don't have to say I'm sorry. I ain't staying in the background, no, 'cause I don't need your worry. I'm a movement and I ain't losing. Gonna go, 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 go. Like a bullet, won't take no bullshit. You should know, no, no, no. I'm about to explode.
Use the heavy hammer. Don't break the pipes.
I know.
We need to keep the pipes.
It's like that game where the penguin's on there and you have to hit up.
Break the ice?
Yeah. And you don't want to. You don't want to drop the penguin.
Can we use the hammer to hit a hammer?
Ooh. I don't like the way that sounds. And then. Whoa. We can put some real aggressive music to it.
Oh, we will. It's gonna be like some heavy metal or something.
Yeah.
a fingernail. I did. I found a fingernail. Y'all, that's gross. That's grody. I just pulled down the counter and it went slip, like it was trying to grab me. Take a little break and then we'll be back. But I guess for this video we can call it a video.
Yeah, I don't know what we're gonna be doing next time. It's gonna be like
it's a project.
We're gonna take it all apart and do it again.
So stay tuned till next time.
There's only been 2 hours of work, so
don't tell them that. This has been a good full-length day's work video. Hey,
they're gonna know we're in the same outfits for the next video.
Shut up.
Anyways,
see you guys later.
Bye.
Bye.